Achieving success through realistic goal setting. Ever felt overwhelmed by your dreams? It's time to break them down into achievable, realistic goals. Let's start this journey today. Setting realistic goals isn't about limiting your potential. It's about creating a clear vision and a practical action plan to reach your desire. Imagine climbing a mountain. You don't just look at the peak, right? Each step you take, each milestone you reach, they're your realistic goals. Realistic goals are measurable, specific, and time-bound. They keep you motivated, help you track your progress, and boost your confidence. Afraid of failure? That's where realistic goals come in. They help mitigate risks, allowing you to anticipate potential obstacles and prepare for them. Think of realistic goals as your roadmap. You wouldn't start a journey without knowing your destination and the path you'll take, would you? So let's get started. Unleash your potential, set your realistic goals today, and watch as you transform your dreams into reality.